Hello everyone. I'm presenting this paper for International Management Conference 2021 on the topic Need for Dispute Resolution in Commercial Disputes through ADR, that is Alternative Dispute Resolution, and ODR, Online Dispute Resolution. I am Bhavya Sharma, PhD Research Scholar, School of Law, Justice and Governance, Gautam Buddha University, and the author of this paper is Mr. Muhammad Adhar Talib, Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia, and he is a PhD research scholar too. So to start with the introduction, I would like to start with the concept why do we need ADR and ODR in commercial disputes. So firstly, the last 2 decades have seen a slew of reforms aimed at streamlining the dispute resolution ecosystem in India. These 2 reforms measures fit into 2 categories. First, it is aimed at improving judiciary's efficiency at resolving disputes, and secondly, aimed at reducing the very entry of the disputes into traditional court system, and this includes commercial disputes as well. And to define commercial disputes, I'm using the definition that is defined under the the Commercial Courts Act 2015 under section 2C. That includes various kind of disputes such as export or import of merchandise and services, ordinary transaction of merchants, bankers, partnership agreements, distribution and licensing agreements. I'm pointing out a few. This is not the entire list. I'm pointing out the few important ones. Technology development agreements, intellectual property rights related to registered and unregistered trademark, copyright, patent, design, domain names, geographical indications, and semiconductor integrated circuits, and etc. This list is not exhaustive. There are many more under this act. So to understand this, why in commercial disputes that relates any export, any transaction, if we talk in layman terms language, so any transaction, export, import, it can be in maritime disputes, for simple day-to-day import export things. So the disputes, like if we talk about COVID-19 pandemic situation, disputes are arising if we are purchasing for example, if we purchase a thing online and disputes arises thereby. So we have this mechanism of ODR, that is online dispute resolution, that is through the online platform we are trying to resolve a dispute through negotiation or mediation. So I have tried to put in some technical aspects of such resolution and some legal aspects. So to start with, I would like to say that several other categories of dispute, including commercial disputes, they are seen fit cases for resolution through ODR and ADR, which eventually emerged in 1990s through a case of eBay, where they developed a software where the complainant can file their complaint online, and that software can negotiate through negotiate the dispute for them online, and without physical form, So